So right now I am just chilling. I think I'm gonna try to finish editing a video first, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and get my workout in and then go ahead and eat. I usually try to do like a fasted type of cardio, so basically meaning you don't eat until you're basically finished with your workout. Why I'm doing fasted cardio is because I feel like it's so much better for you in like helping you lose weight and stuff faster. So you know, I just really think it helps with fat loss and stuff. But anyway, as I was saying, I am gonna go ahead and edit a video real quick, and then I will be doing a workout. Alright you guys, so I am heading to the gym. In the gym, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do arms, so like biceps and triceps. Okay guys, I am done with my workout. I'm sorry I didn't get more footage. There were so many people in there and it just made me feel a little bit awkward. First thing I did when I went in there was I did 10 minutes of cardio, and then I did 3 sets of planks, like regular planks, and then side planks each side for 30 seconds. And then I basically just did some bicep and tricep exercises. If you guys are interested in the workout, I'll probably just go ahead and post it in the description box below. It is now like super late in the day. It's 1:15, so pretty late. Haven't eaten yet, so I'm gonna go home and cook something up because I'm hungry. Alright, so here is my lunch. So I meal prepped a bunch of food and I figured I would just have one of my meals for lunch. So basically this just consists of 1 whole can of beans. I do about 1.5 cups of rice, a whole pack of Jenny O ground turkey, and then I add some like taco seasoning to it just to give it some flavor. And after that I do add some cheese on there. I just sprinkle a little bit on there. I try not to do too much. And then I just add some avocado. This is about a quarter of an avocado. And yeah, it's really delicious. I really love it. By the way, I did get my like meal prep containers on Amazon. I will go ahead and link those below. So yeah, this is my lunch and I'm just gonna go ahead and eat this up. I just finished eating my meal and whew, I am full. I'll probably, even though I'm really full right now, I'll probably want a snack. Probably about half an hour to an hour. So I'll vlog that and then show you guys what I have for a snack. Alright guys, so it is snacky time. So I'm just gonna have some rice cakes. I usually have 2 of them, 2 at a time, and they're 50 calories each, so it's a nice little 100 calorie snack. And I always put some peanut butter on there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some peanut butter on here and eat that as a snack. So here are my rice cake snacks. So I put about a tablespoon on each one, probably a little less honestly, but in 2 tablespoons there are 180 calories, 12 grams of fat, 170 milligrams of sodium, and 14 grams of carbs, and 7 grams of protein. So not too bad. I actually don't use almond butter. I know most people do, but if you look at the macros and nutrients compared to like this, you know, regular old Skippy peanut butter, they honestly are like the same. Like they're really not different. So I just use regular peanut butter. And I am also going to have a glass of milk with this. I typically have almond milk, but I ran out of almond milk, so I'll be having just a regular glass of milk with this. And yeah, this is my little snack for the day, you know, before dinner and everything. And I love this snack. I have it all the time. So it is dinner time now, and for dinner I am just having this super yummy burger. This is a beef, like ground beef burger with some Havarti cheese and about 1/4 of avocado. And to basically replace the bun, I am just using a couple of pieces of lettuce on the top and bottom. And I know it may not look like that delicious, but it actually is really, really good. The like cheese and the burger itself just really add flavor. And of course the avocado tastes great, and I really, really love this. And you know, it's so much better for you than a, you know, with a bun, because the bun has just so many carbs in it. So to replace it with lettuce is just a much healthier option for you. Also, another quick thing I wanted to mention is that I have been drinking water all day. At the most, I really try to drink about 1 gallon a day. Of course, not all at once, definitely kind of dispersed throughout the day, but you know, just definitely get your water in, you guys. Like, water is just so good for you and so good for your health, so definitely drink some water. Next delicious little snack is just finishing up my water from earlier and some blueberries and strawberries. Oh, these look so good. I cannot wait to eat this. Now, I wasn't really precise in my measurements or anything. I just did about, I think it was like 4 strawberries, 4 cut up strawberries, and about a handful of blueberries. So good. So the very last thing that I'm going to eat today is a Fuji apple. I love these apples. These are like my favorite apples. But, you know, I'm just having like that urge to eat. And like I feel like I'm hungry. I'm not that hungry, but I feel like I'm hungry. So I'm going to cut up this apple and then have some peanut butter with it as well. So here are my apples all sliced up. Got a little side of about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And yeah, just gonna go ahead and have this as my last snack for the night. And of course, just gonna have some more water and then fill this up as well when I'm done with it. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope that it gave you guys some ideas on maybe meals to eat or snacks to eat, because I find that these work for me. And I've been on my weight loss journey for, you know, a little over 3 years, kind of on and off now. And, you know, it's all about finding balance in everything and just seeing what works for you. You definitely don't want to, like, you know, go cold turkey or anything and just cut everything out all at once. You know, definitely keep some foods in there that, you know, you still like, but maybe just kind of downsize it and not have too much of it, or, you know, just kind of substitute it with other things. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a like if you did, and of course subscribe for more videos like this. I will definitely be coming out with more. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!